Hello, this is a co-equal lesson looking at the Earth's atmosphere and how that ties into music. The grade level this is intended for is sixth grade. One of the primary reasons being that sixth grade is when a lot of students are getting into band, choir, etc. This lesson or potential series of lessons helps lay some foundational understanding for students into how the part of the atmosphere they typically reside in, the troposphere, affects the air they feel and the music they are making or will be making. Gets their thinking a little ahead of the curve. The science and math aspect of the lesson focuses on learning about the Earth's movement, how the sun interacts with the Earth's surface, and the concept of low and high pressure. Once students understand that air is like a fluid that has density of its own, with low and high pressure like water, then the discussion can look at how air movement can affect the things it surrounds. This opens the door for an activity of experimentation and development of musical items. This may be a pan flute of some sort, or maybe some wind chimes, etc. The students will be able to come up with some outside of the box ideas and facilitate their creativity in applying their learning on air movement. The assessment will be done via a rubric. The rubric will help assess the student's understanding of the concept of air and its movement, how such a thing can create music, and how an outside force can make music through an object. After some time, and if the students are able to create inventive instruments that produce sound by air movement, blowing, a hair dryer, waving an object, etc., at some point they could be asked to perform their instruments, aiding in giving a presentation on what they've learned collectively about the atmosphere.